After leaving Bitter Springs and doing a quick shop in Catherine, we stopped at 80th River for a little break.
There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta fall.
On our way up north, we discovered an old gold mine in Pine Creek. It was in operation until 1995, and then the pit was filled with 6,800 megaliters of water, and it took 14 months to fill up. We've just finished the audiobook by Will Smith, all 16 hours of it. I think it was just very amazing and very beautiful. Recommend that you listen to it. Don't read it in the book, just get the audiobook because it's a completely different side of the story with Will reading everything, all the pages with you. Can't have enough praise about it. Awesome.
Okay, we pulled up to this, on this random road, we found a giant termite mound.
Pretty big. We have seen tons of them along the way, but this is probably the tallest so far.
That tall.
You can do whatever you like.
You know, at Robin Falls, we don't really know what we're going to find, but we'll show you when we get there. This is a little bit more of a rocky path than we anticipated, but we're going to power through it. Try not to whack an ankle or anything like that on the way. Okay, this is proper trekking with rocks and woods, but the view is very pretty on the way, so let's hope it's worth it. Okay, I think this is as far as we'll go because it's getting really, really rocky. Shame. Oof, that was a bit tough. Bit of a shame we couldn't get all the way, but you know, we had to carry Bear and because the rocks were getting bigger and bigger, so we gave up. Instead, we'll settle for this little camp area. What do you think, Elliot? You like it here? We have our own waterfall. At least we can see that one without breaking an ankle.
Chin Chin.
And what you got there?
Cold dim sum, anyone?
Yum, nom, 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 nom. You're missing out. Okay, we're going to race our leaf. I've picked this one. Long, skinny, dry. Should go down the little stream down there pretty well, I think.
I've gone for a green one. I think it might have a good buoyancy, and the colour being green seems fast, so we'll see if it goes. But
green is not fast, usually red, but
well,
that's okay.
Fast, and also it's got a wide base, so I think it would be good to float down the little rapids there. So
this is where we're going down. This is where we're starting from. And Mimi's going down, Mimi's going down, and Mimi's winning! Woohoo! Look how filthy you are, Elliot. Blending with the environment. All we had was the creek, so we had to give it a try and rinse him off a little bit because that red dust just goes everywhere and really stuck to his fur. And as you can see, he really enjoyed this. It didn't really work, he's still filthy, look at you. Cheeky bear. Oh, sorry. Please let me go. I want to live in nature now. Hopefully a fire will help dry us all, and we'll see you next episode.